This is John with WTI, and I live in a tropical environment. My country is forever in summer state. So while I'm outside going, doing anything, or I'm at home and I'm trying to stay hydrated, coconut water is just one of the best options that you can actually get. And this one from Goya, I was a bit skeptic because you can get coconut water from anywhere in my country. But when I tried this, I was like, it actually tastes like legit coconut water that you would get from the streets of my country. And it actually tastes awesome. It's low on sugar, great quality, great feeling, great taste. And at the same time, it actually adds the pulp of the coconut. This is one of my favorite drinks since I was a kid. I remember my mom taking me to different places, and I would always ask her for coconut water with the pulp. And actually, drinking this gives me a lot of memories and it gets me a little bit nostalgic. But if you're looking for a great drink, this Goya coconut water with the pulp inside is great. It's hydrated, and you know, coconut water is full with electrolytes. So great option. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.